I'm gonna take the rear caliper off, which is easy. 2 bolts, one here and one there. And this has also the extension for the rear spot lub thing. Okay, up. Then wiggle it a bit, and ladies and gentlemen, you got it off. Oh, it looks great. I don't want the brake caliper to scratch anything, so I'm gonna use the cloth and I wrap it for the time being. To lower my end gear, we call it the cardan house, I'm not sure what you call it, we need to get the ABS sensor out, otherwise the wire will break. Very easy, just a bolt here, tiny bolt, this one, Torx 25, and over there I put, I'm not sure what it is, it's a Torx too, same Torx, up, yes, screw it out, 2 hole. Then we take the sensor carefully out. Up. There's a rubber O-ring. And now turn the disc so you can take it out here. Over there it's up. En nou even kijken dat dit zo. Oké. Thing out of the way. Okay, okay. That is the postman. So. lift it. Oh. It hangs on the strap now, so I'm gonna lower it carefully, slowly up, and have a look at think. So now, yeah, this looks absolutely great. So I'm gonna give it a clean up. So up. I'm gonna get it looks to me, and I'm sure you agree with me, it looks brand new. Watch, I'm gonna zoom in. Gonna clean his brother too. Turns really good. So, look, I give this a good clean inside out. I used a bit of, what is it? Silicone spray. Now the rubber is nicely flexible. And now we're going to use bel-ray assembly lube. And loop the splines, they call it, huh? What was it now? Ah, hop, get it good into the splines. Blap, blap, blap. Okay, hop, yes, then we do the same thing over here. Blap. Make sure you got them all looped up good, richly. Hop, even kijken, daar. Okay. So, Now, get this thing. Sometimes it's a bit of a hassle, and sometimes it isn't. So let's have a look what it is today. Now, up. Yep, die. Zo. En die, even kijken. Yep. Then this one. So, ta-da! Oh, I cleaned it all nice, and I. Oh. Watch this good. This side also good. Now we're gonna carefully lift it up and like this, and then hop, hop. It's perfectly in place now. We're gonna up, up. Then now we need get that fucking thing. So you have to put your fingers into it. Oh. Up. Like that. So now okay. So this bolt needs to be torqued at 42 Newton meters, and it needs to be having Loctite. Even kijken. Nou. Op, op, op. De nut. En 42. Even kijken. Hoppa. Yes. Up. Yes. So guys, this was my video about doing a spline loop on my Beamer. I hope you liked it, and if you do, please subscribe to my channel. I really would appreciate that. And of course, if you have something to say, please put it in the comments below. I always love to hear from you guys. No, and for now, old mechanic out.